All right, if you're wondering what order you should get PPF and ceramic coating on your car and you need some help making that decision, well, I'm going to tell you right now. So people often ask us, can I get ceramic coating and then put PPF over it later on? Or, does PPF / clear bra go over ceramic coating? So ceramic coating is going to provide some UV protection to your paint, make the vehicle easier to clean, make bug guts come off easier, make it shinier. It doesn't stop rock chips and scratches. Clear bra and PPF does stop rock chips and scratches. So the question is, which comes first? So the answer is always going to be PPF. And there's a couple reasons for that. One, ceramic coating under PPF really serves no value whatsoever. And if you have ceramic coating under the PPF, we are going to have to remove it at least on the edges at a minimum because we don't want the film to lift off. Now, the same reason your vinyl graphics won't really stick well to a ceramic coated surface is the same reason we don't want to put PPF over top of it. So putting PPF over top of ceramic coating is not only a waste of money, but it can actually be detrimental to the installation of the PPF because in many cases, the ceramic coating needs to be polished off the surface to completely remove it. Now we can polish most surfaces and we do have, tiny little attachments that we can try to get into every nook and cranny. But if there's ceramic coating on the hidden edges where we would wrap the film in, it could reduce the ability for the film to grab that edge and stay down long term. So, and then from a budget standpoint you're always going to want to put PPF down first because we can always ceramic coat a car later. But once you start accumulating rock chips on the front of your car, the only option is going to be touch up or repaint. And we don't do any of that here. And our experience is results from body shops and stuff are not the greatest. And we want to avoid repainting vehicles if at all possible.